Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to post YouTube videos on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to share valuable video content with your professional network and increase engagement on both platforms. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the YouTube video you want to share. This could be your own content or a video from another creator that you think would resonate with your LinkedIn connections. Once you've found the right video, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now look at the top of your browser where the address bar is located. This is where the YouTube video URL lives. Click on this URL to highlight it, then right-click and select Copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac. This URL is the key to sharing the video, so make sure you've copied it correctly. Next, switch over to LinkedIn. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look for the option that says Start a Post. This is typically located at the top of your feed inside a white box that prompts you to share your thoughts or updates. Click on Start a Post to open up the posting interface. Now comes the important part. In the post creation box, right-click and select Paste, or use Control-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to paste the YouTube URL you copied earlier. After you paste the link, don't rush to click Post just yet. You'll need to wait a moment for LinkedIn to process the URL and generate a preview of the video. This usually takes just a few seconds, but the timing can vary depending on your internet connection. Once the video preview loads, you'll see a thumbnail image, the video title, and other details pulled directly from YouTube. This preview makes your post much more engaging and gives people a clear idea of what they'll be watching if they click through. You can also add your own caption or commentary above the video link to provide context or encourage discussion. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and the video preview has fully loaded, simply click the Post button. This will publish your update to your LinkedIn feed, making it visible to your connections and followers. Your YouTube video is now shared on LinkedIn, ready to reach a professional audience. And that's it. You've successfully posted a YouTube video on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.